Hi and welcome to Qlik. This video covers the scenarios in which the too many sessions active in parallel error message is expected to occur and how to prevent it. Starting on June 2019 release of Qlik, the error message displayed here became a common occurrence. Prior to the June 2019 release and since April 2018 when Professional and Analyzer licensing model was released, the error message indicating "You have no access pass" was expected to be displayed instead, which was misleading. The issue is due to the maximum allowed 5 authentication sessions that can be active at the same time for the same user in Qlik. See Access Assignment and Qlik Help site for more information. The maximum of 5 allowed sessions apply to authenticated licensed users, so after opening multiple authentication sessions from different browsers or computers, we see the error message displayed to the client after attempting to open the 6th session. In this storage location, we can review the Qlik repository audit security logs, which will have lines registered indicating that the session count has reached a value of 5. So it logs usage denied in reference to this issue. Note that different tabs on the same browser normally use the same authentication session and do not lead to the same issue. This issue is more commonly observed when an administrator uses the Qlik service account to manage and develop apps via the hub. This occurs because the service account has been assigned a professional or analyzer license, and the number of sessions limit is imposed not just for client connections, but also internal system connections to the Qlik proxy API, such as for monitoring app reload tasks, which use the service account by default. In order to prevent this issue, administrators should not use the service account for developing and managing apps via the Qlik hub. Instead, use another license account and do not allocate a license to the Qlik service account. If the issue is reported with the regular user account, make sure the maximum number of sessions is not being reached for the user. For more information on how to count the number of sessions, see the knowledge base article How to Count Sessions in Qlik. Note that when allocating the legacy user access pass to the service account, this issue may also delay or prevent monitoring app reload tasks from being performed successfully. This happens because the Qlik service account is used to create sessions with the Qlik proxy API during the reload. In order to prevent reload task issues, the recommendation is again to leave the Qlik service account as a root admin without any license allocated to it. An alternative would be to use another root admin for the monitoring app's data connections that is not used in app development and has no license allocated. If you would like more information, take advantage of the expertise of peers, product experts, and technical support engineers by asking a question in the Qlik product forums on Qlik Community. Or check out the support program space. Here, you can search for answers in the support knowledge base, learn directly from Qlik experts via a support webinar like Techspert Thursdays, and don't forget to subscribe to the Support Update blog. Thanks for watching. Nailed it.